News 18 is continuing to highlight Recovery Month. Tonight, we take a look at a local agency helping people battling addiction and mental illness. News 18 Samantha Tiki spoke with the Valley Oaks Health Addiction Director of Services about how they're supporting people to change their lives.
I grew up in a very addictive home.
Mick Shinrod grew up around addiction.
My dad was unfortunately a victim of alcoholism, and he had a severe alcohol use disorder, and I lost him when I was 15 years old, and that put me in a mental health spin.
After seeking treatment, he discovered a passion for helping others struggling with mental illness and addiction.
I just saw a need and ended up starting work in prison as a substance abuse counselor, and I fell in love with it.
That eventually led him to Valley Oaks Health, where he now serves as the Director of Addiction Services.
We try to focus on our goals. What do you want to do? What do you want life to look like without drugs or alcohol? What do you want your house to look like? What do you want to do with your life? And we want to help them get those things. If we talk about what we want to get, that is what Valley Oaks is really good at.
Shinrod says a big part of treatment is talking about your problems with others.
A lot of people don't like groups, but the groups help to eliminate that isolation.
Instead of standard addiction services, Valley Oaks focuses on comprehensive care for each patient.
When you're able to talk about those things, you can come up with your own solutions, and that therapist can help guide you through that. And then you own that, and then you own those issues.
Shinrod finds this approach incredibly effective when treating addiction and mental illness.
They don't go away just because you had trauma, but you own those issues and you can handle life better, more on your own terms instead of how things come at you.
Samantha Tiki, News 18.